Honest HVAC Installation and Repair Way-Cool is an excellent choice for furnace repair services in Tempe, Arizona. Their objective is to promptly and efficiently resolve HVAC problems, alleviating any stress or frustration customers may experience. With their focus on customer satisfaction and their reputation for reliability, Honest HVAC Installation and Repair Way-Cool is a trusted provider of furnace repair services in the Tempe area. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Honest HVAC Installation and Repair Way-Cool. Is it worth fixing a furnace? Repairing a furnace can be a cost-effective solution, especially if the issue is relatively minor or the furnace is still relatively new. However, if the furnace is older and experiencing frequent breakdowns, or if the repair costs are significant, homeowners may want to consider investing in a new, more energy-efficient furnace. Honest HVAC understands the importance of providing honest and transparent advice to their customers. Their certified HVAC technicians can assess the condition of a furnace, provide expert recommendations, and offer reliable repair services to ensure optimal comfort and efficiency in the home. Is it worth it to repair a 20-year-old furnace? While some older furnaces can still function effectively with regular maintenance and occasional repairs, others may be nearing the end of their lifespan and prone to more frequent breakdowns. Homeowners facing this decision can rely on Honest HVAC for honest and expert advice. Their certified HVAC technicians can assess the condition of the furnace, consider the cost of repairs versus replacement, and provide transparent recommendations tailored to the customer's needs and budget. What is your service area? Our Honest HVAC Installation and Repair Way-Cool serve the following Arizona locations: Phoenix, Glendale, Scottsdale, Gilbert, Chandler, Waddell, Cave Creek, Arlington, Stanfield, New River, Tucson, Casa Grande, Mesa, Queen Creek, Sun Lakes, Peoria, Tempe, Arizona. Where is your Honest HVAC Installation and Repair Way-Cool office located? We are located at 64 East Broadway Road 200, Suite 101B33, Tempe, Arizona 85282, United States. Our phone number is 623-304-5895. Visit our website, https://honesthvaccompany.com/tempe-ac-installation-repair.